number 4 is Miss Shirley Gabriela. She was born on April 21, 2011, under the zodiac sign Taurus. She is 14 years old. She is a grade 8 student of the Lao National High School. She is guided with her motto, "Beauty face doesn't define how beautiful you are, but the beautiful heart will make you truly define how good you are." She is representing Purok 5 under the Gawad Ramon Sanchez.